Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn different programming languages. First, identify your learning objectives to select a suitable language, whether it's for web development, data science, or mobile apps. Next, grasp fundamental programming concepts such as data types, control flow, and functions, as these are universal across many languages. Finally, install the required software and tools to begin writing and executing your first lines of code. Consistent practice is crucial for mastering any programming language. Dedicate time each day to write code, even if it's just solving simple exercises. Start building small, manageable projects that allow you to apply the concepts you've learned in a practical way. Don't shy away from errors. Debugging is an essential skill that teaches you how to identify and fix problems in your code, improving your understanding significantly. Once you have a solid foundation, delve into more advanced topics specific to your chosen language, like object-oriented programming or asynchronous operations. Make it a habit to consult official documentation and language guides. They are invaluable resources for detailed information and best practices. Joining online forums or local meetups allows you to connect with other developers, ask questions, and learn from their experiences, accelerating your growth. The programming landscape constantly evolves, so commit to continuous learning by exploring new libraries and frameworks that enhance your language's capabilities. Contributing to open-source projects is an excellent way to gain real-world experience, collaborate with others, and build a portfolio. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep coding and exploring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.